Hey, it's Omar Maitre from Language Maitre, and today I'm going to go over the ed ending at the end of words. Now, the ed ending at the end of words can have three different sounds. The first sound is the t sound in words like kissed, talked, walked. That's the t sound. Another sound it could have is the id sound, like id, like the sound that you'll hear in did. Words like ended, wounded, wanted will have that id sound at the end. And then the sound that we're most familiar with, the d sound, you'll hear at the end of words like played, stayed, weighed, things of that nature. You'll hear that ed, the D sound at the end of these words. Now, it can be confusing because the sound at the D sound at the beginning of the words, as opposed to the ED sound at the end of the words, and knowing when to use the T sound or the id or the D sound. And there are rules to it, but the rules also can be confusing at times. So the best way to kind of know when and what sound to use is just by conversing, watching movies, listening to music, and after a time, you'll get familiar with the words. Like, that's my opinion, is that it's better to get familiar with the words as opposed to just trying to memorize all the words or memorize all the rules at one time. This is something that will happen over a period of time. So a word like kissed, like I said, that has that t sound, saying something like kissed is just the wrong pronunciation. It doesn't sound right, and it's never right. So when you have a conversation, just listen and pay attention to the different ed sounds at the end. Once again, the three are the t, kissed, words like missed is another good one, and the id sound, ended, wounded, and then the d sound, stayed, played, things of that nature. So, once again, over a period of time, you'll get familiar with these words. Just something else that you're going to need to get used to when you're learning English. It's Omar Maitre from Language Maitre. Till next time. Hopefully this is helpful.